How to uninstall the Microsoft Store. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to uninstall the Microsoft Store, here is a forceful action or the command that you can execute. But for that, you require administrative privileges. So first of all, right click on the Start button and choose the option of Terminal which says Admin. Or you could just search for command prompt and run it as Administrator. Once the PowerShell or the terminal is activated, you require this command to be pasted. The command is available on the description box. So first of all, write in get appx package Windows Store remove the appx package. Once you do so, it will be completely uninstalled from the device. Similarly, if you require to reinstall it, you have the command for it as well. So just copy it and then paste it on the same location of the terminal and you're good to go. However, it is recommended not to forcefully uninstall the Microsoft, but instead you can unpin it from the taskbar itself. Or what you could do is go to the Start and Personalization and then remove the application from the display. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.